Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and we have n minus 4 to the power 4 equals to n to the power 4, and here we find the value of n. So the very first step we are going to do is, here first we move this n to the power 4 in the left hand side and we write it as n minus 4 and its whole power 4 minus n to the power 4 equals to 0. And now we rewrite this equation as, we have n minus 4 and its whole power 4. It will be written as n minus 4 and its whole square minus, we have n to the power 4. It will be written as n square and its whole square equals to 0. And here we need to use the nice square identity, and you know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use this nice identity, and according to this identity we use this formula on the above term, and we take this as a and we take this equals to b. So it will becomes a square minus b square, and it is equals to n minus 4 and its whole square minus n square into, we have n minus 4 whole square plus n square, and this whole equals to 0. And now we convert here in two cases, so that our first case is, we write n minus 4 and its whole square minus n square equals to 0, and we call this as equation number 1. And the second case is, we take n minus 4 whole square plus n square equals to 0, and we call this as equation number 2. So here we need to solve these two cases. So now first we solve case number 1. So from 1 we have n minus 4 whole square and minus n square. So here we use again this square identity. So according to this identity, we write equation number 1 as n minus 4 plus n into n minus 4 minus n, and this whole equals to 0. So here you see that these are cancelled by each other, and we add n and n, you get 2 times of n minus 4 into minus 4 equals to 0. So here we divide both of the sides by minus 4, and you get 2n minus 4 equals to 0. And now we move this minus 4 to the right hand side, and we get 2n equals to 4, and here you get the value of n equals to 2. So this is our first value of n if we get from case number 1. And now here we solve case number 2. So our case number 2 is copied down here, n minus 4 whole square plus n square equals to 0. So here we open the square identity and we write it as n square plus 4 square minus 2 times of n into 4 plus n square equals to 0. So here we need to solve this quadratic equation. And now we first simplify this equation, and you get n square plus 16 minus 4 times of 2 is 8n plus n square equals to 0. So here we add or subtract the like terms, so we get n square plus n square is 2 times of n square minus 8 times of n plus 16 equals to 0. And here we divide both of the sides by 2 on each term, and we get the output in this form after dividing by 2. So you see that this 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other and we get n square, and these are cancelled by each other and we get minus 4 times of n plus 2 8 is a 16, and this whole equals to 0. So that in the next step we make the factors of this equation, or we use the quadratic formula. So that first we write the coefficients of this equation, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, and c equals to 8. And you know that the quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And here we put all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we get minus times of minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8, and this whole divided by 2. So now we simplify these terms and we write it as 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square becomes 16, and 4 8s are 32 divided by 2. And now here we simplify the terms and we get 4 plus minus 16 minus 32 becomes minus 16 divided by 2. So here we separate the square root of both of these terms. We separate the square root of negative term and 16, and we write it as 4 plus minus square root of 16 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2, and we obtain 4 plus minus the square root of 16 becomes 4, and the square root of minus 1 becomes iota divided by 2. And here we separate these two terms and we write it as 4 over 2 plus minus 4 over 2 times of iota. So here we cancelled these two terms and we get 2 times of 2 is 4 plus minus 2 times of 2 is 4. So we have the other two roots of the given equation is n equals to 2 plus minus 2 iota, and the third root is n equals to 2. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.